Lapit mo lang. Malapit mo nga yan.
Yung near pa.
Posporo. Tapos kailangan pa salugin eh. Pwede naman gamitin sa susunod na schedule sa yung pagagawa. Kailangan pa ngayon. Hawakan mo, mas taas mo para masunog yung tire lift.
Okay, kids. Ben, come on. You burn this one symbolically. It's a communist symbol. We weren't allowed to burn this one by the pre-Burma coalition, so we are burning it. We are burning this flag here in Mount Burn. We just want to show to the whole world that we just want to show to the whole world that we should peacefully and lawfully abolish communism in the whole world or in the whole globe.